It gives me great pleasure to welcome once again Mr. Sohail Khan, the owner of Mumbai Heroes, the very beautiful Ms. Daisy Shah, who's here with us. Also, none other than Manoj Tiwari, a man who's as eloquent as ever when it comes to expressing himself in political debates as he is in front of camera. Also, we have Pranita, a very well-known actress, here with us. Pleasure to have you here with us, ma'am, to announce the award for the Carbon Kamal catch. And that goes to Rajiv from the Karnataka Bulldozers. He's a happy man, isn't he? Can we get Rajiv to come up? Congratulations. You will get your award from the Carbon Mobile Distributor, Mr. Narayana.
सोहेल सर ने भले हमारी टीम नहीं है, लेकिन इन्होंने मुझे और नवराज हंस को हमारी भोजपुरी और पंजाब को बुलाया। सोहेल का दिल बहुत बड़ा है और हम अप्रैल में फिर से रॉक करेंगे, बट ये पूरा देश एक जगह खेल रहा है। दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल एक्सपीरियंस।
I think credit to this man for what he's done. Thank you so much, Sohail. And as Mr. Tiwari said, bada dil, bade muscle to hum dekh chuke hain. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now time to announce the award for the man of the match. And that, of course, a fantastic effort is what it was for the man who scored the runs as well. Went on to get 44 and then went on to pick a wicket as well. Pradeep, can you have you step forward? The man of the match today. And of course, I'd request Mr. Prasad Sarvana, the chairman of the Innovative Film City, to present that award as well. The man of the match. Congratulations, Pradeep. I'll have a quick chat with you. We've got Mr. Sohail Khan here. I'm going to talk to the two of you at this moment because just join in. I thought 77 for that opening wicket stand, and I'm going to ask Sohail this. You had the match by the scruff of its neck, and then where did it slip away?
No, it was a very good, very big score that the Bulldozers put up. Yes, Saqib and Jai played a tremendous game. But I think the team was always under pressure. And, you know, though they played extremely well and they're trying to keep up the run rate, but to chase such a score that they put up, it's extremely difficult because you're constantly have to have the average of 12 to 14, 12 to 14. And, you know, this team as a team, I think they bat very well, they field very well. If you see the catches that they've taken on the boundary, and genuinely catches win matches. And around 4 catches were meant to go for 6s, and they caught at the boundary line. That put our team into pressure.
Well, yes, the Karnataka Bulldozers were smart in the outfield as well. But Varun, when you had 125 on the board, 126 to chase down, what was the mood in the camp like?
See, you don't have very many options. You have to go for the score. That's what we did. And to tell you frankly, 2 overs when we bowled and 2 overs when we batted, they made the whole difference. So we almost gave away 15-2 and lost 2 wickets, but could not score much in the 2 middle overs.
Well, hard luck today, but I think it was great entertainment, and everyone who was watching back home on their TV sets and everyone here at the stadium loved the performance of both teams.
Yeah, we are actually learning this format, and believe you me, we are going to get better at this.
Looking forward to that. Thank you so much for joining us, Varun, and thanks for all the entertainment. Ladies and gentlemen, the captain of the losing side, Mumbai Heroes, Varun Badola. We had a word with Mr. Sohail Khan as well. Time to call up the winning captain, Kicha Shradeep. There's obviously going to be a cheer in the stands whenever you step up. Kicha, first and foremost, you took a body blow, quite literally, while keeping wickets. Weren't wearing that chest guard today like yesterday, were you?
Suddenly I realized after playing the match, I was covering my friend's photograph. So I just wanted him to be out.
Sentiment and a strong one at that. But as they say in Hindi movies, they always say, "Mard ko dard nahi hota." That's exactly what happened to Kicha Sudeep also.
Dard hua.
Dard hua. Okay. Just letting you know, heroes are humans as well. But Kicha, smart batting effort, first by your team, and then you had all the important catches, as Sohail said.
See, I guess first of all, if there is going to be a good game out there, behind every game there has to be intentions which is right. The intention should be a CCL which go forward, and the intention should be amongst the friends we are playing. The moment we start playing against each other as rivals, I don't think we can ever play cricket again. And I love this gentleman standing here. He may be playing for Mumbai, but for me, he will be like a captain to my team. He says something, we will do it. That's the respect we have. And I think today, I was enjoying Mumbai hitting us. I have never seen them do it. Something's gone wrong with them today. They just come out and I didn't expect that. I mean, we had expected this, I think probably another 25 runs we required. Suddenly they made us feel like as though 125 was too small. And I think one more over if they had gone, I would have walked up to Sohail and said, Sohail, bhai, there is 10 overs. Don't humiliate us like this. But I think it's all in the game, and look at this gentleman, he smiles whenever we win, and I think we smile when they play. That's how it goes between us.
Well, it's celebrities, camaraderie, and of course, cricket as well. And there's one frame that I'll remember and I'll walk away with, is the two of you hugging when he came out to bat. Kicha, many congratulations today, and thank you, Sohail and Kicha, for putting this all together and for entertaining the fans.
ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ I want to thank every team of all the industries for one reason that we lost a player this year, but then every team remembered him, loved him, and sent their messages. So I want to thank them on behalf of his family and everybody, to entire team who remembered Dhruv. And Dhruv, wherever you are, we love you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kicha. Thank you so much, everyone in the presentation party. Ladies and gentlemen.